All right, so I'm here for the final walkthrough for my client, Mr. Carter, as we're going through and looking at 9310. So walk inside, see we are gonna go and look through each of the rooms. It's all part of a job of a realtor. This is Bernard Eldorado with eXp Realty. And I'd like for you to take a look at the home that we're closing on tomorrow. And if you like my videos, would you kindly subscribe so that you can see more of them as I continue to add them. Again, Bernard Eldorado, eXp Realty. The best way to reach me is area code 832-554-6426, and leave comments, suggestions on how I may improve my videos. So this is just one of the facets of being a realtor that, you know, now that we've closed, close to closing, we haven't closed yet, but we actually now want to walk through the home to verify that it's in the shape that we think it should be in. So I've got here a little before my client. You always want to be early whenever you're doing anything. That's just a key to being in business, you know. So I'm here early, looking through the home in advance for Mr. Carter. And so now I'm going to walk through. You see they vacuum the floor, which is nice, and we can see that walls are all in good shape. We're going to walk around. Let's go. We started at the kitchen, so now let's go and look at the primary bedroom. So it's nice that the sellers have actually left their curtains. You can see they've done a good job. There's no holes in the walls anywhere. Fans are working, lights are working. We're gonna go through and validate that everything that Mr. Carter asked for that was done. Well, in this case, Mr. Carter actually accepted the home as is, so that we can now go and just look around and view the different points of the house. But Mr. Carter had actually accepted the house the way it is because of the price that I was able to negotiate for him on this home. So we got a really good deal on the house. Then we also negotiated based on the home, the actual some concessions for Mr. Carter. You see it has a nice home run system in there, which is very nice for connecting all of your Ethernet cables, your audio visual system. Again, this is Bernard Eldorado, eXp Realty. I want you to enjoy the view of this home that we will be closing on tomorrow, November 30th, with my client, Mr. Carter. And just walking through the home, just verifying that everything looks good. And it's very nice when you have a seller that takes the care to actually provide a cleaning service that comes through, a professional service, came in here, and you can tell as we leave from the primary bedroom, you can see the kitchen area. Things were really nicely taken care of here. You can see that the countertops were all clean. We're going to open up the cabinets, but again, in this case, my client, Mr. Carter, accepted this home as is, so that, you know, we're just really looking to see if there's any major problems. Mr. Carter actually wasn't particular about whether he wanted the refrigerator or not. So he gets a refrigerator, which if he chooses, he can actually leave here, or it'll be a spare refrigerator freezer that he can put in his garage once he decides that he wants to update. So now we're gonna go and look at some of the other bedrooms in the home. So we can walk down and have a look at the other rooms. So we can see a bathroom, and we come into our other bedroom. So all of the rooms have their own walk-in closets. So that's really nice to see. Mr. Carter is gonna enjoy with his family. And there's bedroom 2. And now we go into bedroom 3, which also again has its own closet, and it has, you can see the cables on the floor, again, are part of the home run system. And here we have bedroom 4, which is a little larger than the other rooms. So depending on the age of your kids, you may have a tiny fight there on who gets which room. But it's very nice to see, again, the client that sold the home really took good care to not have any wall punctures, and it looks very nice. So I'm going to take a look outside and see the value that Mr. Carter gained. So one of the things that we can see over here is that the seller actually provided Mr. Carter an extra garage door opener. So we're going to take a look at this garage door opener that the seller actually had a spare one, and so they never connected this one, and they just donated, said they don't need it wherever they're going, so they provided Mr. Carter an extra garage door opener. They've left the shelving in here and extra bricks, which comes in handy whenever you may have minor issues with your home. Like I know we had a home in our area by our house where the mailbox was damaged. So having extra bricks makes a difference when you have those extra little mistakes that need to be repaired. All right, so I'm heading back out to see that his home again is in very good shape for Mr. Carter. This is Bernard Eldorado, eXp Realty. Phone number is 832-554-6426. Please take a look and follow my videos as you want to go in and see other home tours. And additionally, I'm going to be adding other topics in my videos. And so I really appreciate if you subscribe and hit that comment button. Tell me about the topics that you're interested in. I'm actually interested in showing how nature works with real estate. So if you want to come back to my channel, I'm going to have a series of videos that talk about the plants that I have and their relationship to opportunities in the real estate industry. It's going to be an interesting series, so hopefully you'll tune in. Again, this is Bernard Eldorado, eXp Realty. Look forward to seeing you in future videos. Thank you so much.